Hello, little friends. Welcome to the magical mystery box. Today, let's open it to find familiar farm animals. Each opening brings a fun surprise waiting for us. Are you ready? Let's go! While opening the box reveals a cute white goat. He features a pure white coat and curved horns. With his familiar baba call, floppy ears, and a tiny beard, he is a helpful friend who gives delicious goat milk. Next, a chubby pink pig steps out, with a round belly, a cute pink snout, and a curly tail. Pigs love rolling in the mud to stay cool and make fun oink-oink sounds, bringing joy to the whole farm. Look, a fluffy sheep appears, covered in a soft, thick white coat that looks just like a cloud. This gentle sheep loves grazing with friends, giving us soft wool to weave warm winter clothes. While a powerful water buffalo steps out majestically with strong, curved horns and a muscular body. He is a hard-working helper, plowing green fields and staying loyal to the farmers through every season. Look there, a turkey appears with a large tail that spreads out like a fan and a bright red crest. Walking proudly around the yard while making a distinct gobble sound, he makes the farm so lively. Surprise! A llama has appeared. Unlike regular camels, he has no humps on his back. He features a sleek, quick build, loves living in herds, and brings a unique touch of variety to our farm. How special! An adorable Valais black-nosed sheep. He is covered in fluffy wool but has a jet black face and ears. Both playful and gentle, he hops across the green grass and shares cozy wool to keep us warm in winter. Oh my, a kind yellow cow steps out with a smooth coat that shimmers under the bright sun. With big round eyes, long eyelashes, and a deep moo, she makes the whole farm feel active and warm. Another surprise! A white goose with a long neck walks with a funny waddle. She has a bright orange beak. Known for being smart and alert, she honks loudly at strangers like a loyal farm gatekeeper. A majestic rooster arrives. He stands out with a bright red comb, colorful feathers, and a proud curved tail. As the king of the farmyard, his morning crow echoes everywhere, waking everyone up for a bright new day. Look, a powerful brown horse with a long flowing mane gallops across the green meadow, showing off energy and freedom. He's a loyal companion that helps carry goods and pull wagons. Next is a gentle dairy cow featuring her iconic black and white spots and kind, soft eyes. She treats us to fresh, nutritious milk every day, calmly grazing to bring peace to the countryside. Our mystery box farm journey ends here. We met so many cute friends, from goats to mighty horses. Each one plays a special role. Thank you for joining me on this fun adventure today. Goodbye.